Who might benefit from this course?
If you're human, you would benefit from this course. And I say that lovingly, but I really mean it, that this is a human experience. And if you have an ounce of curiosity as to how and why we relate with one another, or you want to understand why people do what they do, then attachment matters. It's such an amazing route of exploration for clarity around the intricacies of human behavior. People often tell me that attachment theory should be part of high school curriculums, that it would have changed so much for their lifelong way of being in relationships, that this is foundational information for people in engagement. If you work with people, it's essential, especially if you're in healthcare, mental health, education, or if you're a frontline service provider. We also teach attachment in business, in corporate, because anywhere where relationships are a part of your everyday occupation, this will highly be informative to enhancing the success of those relationships.